Hey there, fellow creators and aquarium enthusiasts. Today, we're excited to share with you an amazing 3D printed upgrade for your aquarium, perfect for your fish to enjoy. We've designed a turtle shell tunnel using design software Plasticity, our slicer Cura to slice the model, and our Ender Max Neo to print it. This is a 3D printed upgrade for our aquarium, and it's truly turtly awesome. Now, let's dive into the details. We started by designing the turtle shell tunnel in the design software, Plasticity. Then, we sliced the model using Cura. These tools are essential for turning our design into a 3D printable file. Finally, we printed the model using our Ender Max Neo. This 3D printer is perfect for creating designs like our turtle shell tunnel. We're hoping our fish will absolutely love swimming through the tunnel and exploring their new aquarium upgrade. We hope you're as excited about this project as we are. If you're interested in creating your own 3D printed upgrades for your aquarium, be sure to check out our YouTube channel for more inspiration and tutorials. Thanks for tuning in, and don't forget to follow and subscribe for more awesome aquarium ideas.